Welcome to Chef Chill, where cooking becomes a passion. Discover professional techniques and kitchen secrets. Follow, subscribe, and let's cook with confidence.
Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to cut a chicken perfectly. It's all about precision. We must follow natural joints. First, position the chicken securely. It is all about precision. Make clean and steady cuts. Follow the natural lines. Follow the natural joints for clean cuts. Next, separate the wings at the joints. Chicken wings are very versatile. You can fry, grill, roast, or glaze them, and the bones make excellent stock. Now follow the breastbone and remove the breast cleanly. Chicken breast is lean, versatile, and easy to use. You can grill, roast, pan-sear, or poach it. It works beautifully in salads, pasta, and bowls. Clean cuts, less waste, better cooking. Chicken stock is one of the foundations of professional cooking. Bones, vegetables, and aromatics create deep flavor. Strain it well for a clean, flavorful stock.